welcome back to my channel, and let's start first with introducing my very new paper collection, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Okay, so first of all, my paper packs are always 78 sheets in total, so I have 6 sets. Every time each design comes back 6 times, so that if you are wondering why I talk in a tutorial about a set, then one set of paper is 13 sheets. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you it all. Okay, so Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. How do I came up with this? Well, many people of you asked me to do a baby collection, and I tried to be classical in a baby collection. I tried to do the favorite colors for a baby collection, but it's all, yeah, it's all pink or blue. It's all with baby pictures, and I think we have those enough in this scrapbooking paper world. So, and it's not me. I do love them. Don't get me wrong. I do love them, but I think it's all been done. So I thought I want to be a little bit funky. I want to do different colors. I definitely am a fantasy girl, so I do want to do that all in one collection. So that's why I came up with Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. We have the purple, we have the, I call it teal blue, and yeah, a little creatures, and you will all see that. Alright, so I have my cover, and I always added some pieces on the cover so we can cut those out. And this, I really love this creature. It's so cute, and it's very fantasy world thing. So yep, absolutely love it. Of course, there are a little some fairies in it, and of course a little bear does not need to take out on a baby collection, but also this collection is not only for a baby collection. You will see that when I'm gonna show you these papers, but it's absolutely usable for different people, different teams. Everybody can use this. Alright, so the cover, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. So we go to the back. I always try to use a easy to use paper for the back, because we are not going to use this paper 6 times. Maybe we're going to cut out one time these little cutouts, maybe the title, but for the rest I'm not going to use this. So it's easy to use, easy to come back, use, blah 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 blah. An easy paper. And that is this. It's really a nice cream color background, and I know the papers will not do it justice, especially not the colors with those bright lights, but this is the best I can show you. So a nice cream color background with nicely weavable leaves and little mushrooms everywhere. So that is the back of that one. So let's go to the first cut apart page. Lovely tags with some journaling space at the bottom. Easy to be used for everything. So I told you earlier, it's just easy, but these little creatures are so adorable. Love those, and yeah, like I said, easy to be used. So we have a little mouse and a little deer with a little rabbit, and this is a little rabbit, and here those, yeah, what are those? Not owls, because they have legs, I don't know, but really cute little creatures. I really like those. Then the back, whoa. So this is an easy to be used page, because you can use it this way or this way. Purple on the back, little stars in the front. Love that, easy to be used. Then we have a new little creature. I think it's a little mouse. Love it, in the forest. And here we have a nice cream color background with the edges are with some ornaments. But hope you can see that all, but oh my gosh, I love to see those little crunchy backgrounds. Love it. Absolutely stunning. Then we have a cream color background and some lilac, yeah, what are these? Florals, leaves, I don't know, but I love it. Love it. Easy to be used, easy this way, that's what I love. Then of course a patchwork, because yep, if we are going to be a little bit to the baby theme, then a patchwork design could not take out. So here I just added all kind of papers that we are going to see back in these papers, and this also easy to be used this way or this way. And let me zoom in a little bit the best I can to show you the exact papers, the colors, because many people who get my papers always tell me in real life they show so much better than I can show you on camera. So that's the tip I can give you, just get it. Then the back, we have a nice cloudy purple background, again easy to be used this way or this way. Then we have some split pages, because I could not resist. There were so many things that I could choose from, so it was easier to make a few cut out, a few split pages, because I definitely love this one, the purple with the cloudy flowers in it. And then of course a strip, which I love to use, and then this top, it's so amazing. So I really like how this all comes together. Show you a little bit closer. Oh, I love it. And it's easy because now you don't have to cut out that strip if you don't want to. Well, let's go to the back. Here we have another little creature, a nice snail, a little snuggle, so cute. And then of course another strip. Oh, those lights, but I try to show you it all better. And then we have some little yellow mustard color flowers and leaves for the background. Love it. Oh, and this one we already had. Then we have another split page. We had some flowers, of course, love those. We have another strip, and we have of course the strips, the stripes. Love that. Nice crunchy. Absolutely love this page. Easy to be used. You can use the top, you can use it as it already is right here. You can also cut some strips out of the stripes, which I absolutely love to do. So could not resist. Then the back, it's the same one as this one, but then in purple, so nicely easy going, little flowers with little leaves, very gentle. Also to be used this way, very cool. Then of course we also made the stripes with all the colors coming back, and another strip, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams, another little mouse strip, and then a nice cloudy bottom with the teal, blue, green color. Love it. So cute. Then the back, another split page. Yes, yep. This one, no, beautiful ornaments with the back, some dots with cream color. Another nice strip, and the bottom has cream color background and a lilac butterflies. A little closer look. So adorable. Love it. The back we had. Then all those creatures I made a full page of, with all kind of leaves in between and little bottles and deer, bears, little I call these, in Dutch is kabouter, but in English it's yeah. Okay, and the main color is cream color with the teal blue. Love it. And everything comes back, even the little creature from the front page, and the little elf is coming back. Love it. And then, yep, a full page of stripes with the teal blue color. Love it, easy to be used. Then we have a cut apart page from little tags. Lantern, night, golden dawn, blessing, cozy story time, night, blessing. And then those are those 4 journaling cards. Then of course I could not resist made in some wound ones, which I love to make that envelope closure with. So we have an owl, dwarf, let me call it a dwarf, a little bottle, and the little elf back again. So cute, so cute. And then we have some words. Everglow, golden cuddle, silent bloom, small wonder, soft kingdom, mythic bloom, gentle glow, gentle star, quiet wonder, loving light, soft dawn, sweet light, ivory dream, fable garden, moon whisper, baby glow, warm wishes, tender realm, mini dream, tiny bloom, calm cradle, quiet snuggle, pure cuddle, little moon. So as you can see, not all is baby theme alike. So you even can make a nice fantasy album. So that's even with night blessing, cozy story time. It's not particularly a baby theme, but it's a little snuffles, little. And then we have a nice strip at the bottom to fill up this page. Then the back, we have a nice cream color background with the blue, well, the teal blue stars coming back. Easy to be used this way or this way. Let me zoom in that a little bit to see the colors maybe a little bit better. Love it. Then we have a nice teal blue background with some hearts in it. Some grungy edges, and of course a nice mushroom with that little creature inside. I love it. So cool. Then we go to the back. This is an easy to be used page, very gentle. Cream color background with very tiny teal blue little flowers. Inside grungy edges. So again, easy to be used. Love it. Alright, then we have that perfect creature coming back again, holding a lightning star. And this is the dot paper, cream color background, and some very gentle brown little dots coming back. Hope you can see that. Adorable. And on the back we have another cut apart page. We have a nice strip again at the bottom to fill up my page. And these are also journaling little tags. We have some space to write something down. Here are also some forest creatures coming back. That little creature, a snail coming back. So adorable. Absolutely. I love it. So cute. Then we have another cut apart page with some words: sweet dreams, magical journey, believe in magic, flying, by to say hello, wishing you a magical day, and then a beautiful cut apart strip at the bottom. Nicely journaling card. So yeah, it's a little fairy tale, forests, baby, fantasy, theme paper. It's all in one. At the back we have another split page, nicely dot, teal blue background, white dots, a beautiful strip with mushrooms and butterflies and flowers, and then at the top a nice flower background. So let me show you a little bit closer so you can see a little bit the colors better. And then we have the last page. This is one of my favorite ones, a very nice cream color background, and then some yellow mustard color half moons coming back, a nice grungy edge, and then of course this beautiful little owl that comes back. Hope you can see the colors a little bit better. So sweet. Love it. And then the back, this is a very busy page, but again, easy to be used. All those creatures coming back again, but then in color. Nicely grungy edge, cream color background. Love it. Love it. Yes, do you see that? It's so adorable. Okay guys, so that is my new paper collection, Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. So what do you think? Can we do something with this? Yes, absolutely. Yep, is it only baby? Absolutely not, but you can use it for a baby album, but also you can use it for adults or bigger kids or fantasy lovers, you name it. You name it. It's an all-in-one. Tiny Kingdom of Dreams. Yep, love it. So, thanks you so much for watching. Bye bye.